Hey folks, Jim Thomas here, Fitness Management and Consulting, and welcome to our channel today. I appreciate y'all being here. And if you're new to the channel, if you're finding us for that very first time, hey, welcome. It's good to have you as well. And as a quick reminder, my focus, my mission here on the channel is I want to be able to provide as much information as I possibly can to as many people as I possibly can across all regions. And the best way I can do that is when you choose to subscribe to the channel, when you choose to like the videos, and when you choose to share the information with friends, associates, and colleagues. And so if you've not yet done so, please hit that subscribe button. Please like the video. And to learn more about me and learn more about my company and how we can help take your business to that next level, please check out those links below. And certainly I'd point you to our website at fmconsulting.net, where you can currently grab 100% free access to our gym management playbook. And so with that said, let's get into our topic today, and it's 15 simple ideas to boost foot traffic to your gym business and increase sales. 15 simple ideas to boost foot traffic to your gym business and increase sales. And we can probably do 100. We've got 15 on here just for the sake of time, but there's a lot of things that you can do. Let me give you 15 things. I don't know of a gym out there, certainly the ones that I talk to, that do not want more people in their front door. Okay, so let me give you 15 things to think about, and I don't think any of these are going to cost you anything. Okay, if they do, we'll comment on it, but I think these are all going to be, relatively easy to do that will boost foot traffic, increase sales in your facility. So number one, set up a sandwich board. The A-frame, get an A-frame sign right there on your sidewalk in front of your gym. Get signage at the street, okay? But increase your signage. This is easy to do. In some cases, there's rules. Local communities will have certain rules, but understand what those rules are. Play by them, okay? You can get more signage out there, but set up a sandwich board, okay? Set up street signage right there in the corner. Sometimes it's 30 days on, 30 days off. Sometimes you can have it longer, okay? But check it out, okay? Get signage out there. Let people know. Okay, if you're in a strip center, which most people are, there's a lot of traffic walking by. Having that signage there can make all the difference in the world. If you're one side of the center, put the sign over here. Move it around. Don't keep it in the same spot. But, set up signage. Number two, invite an expert to your location. Invite an expert to your location. Have like a dinner workshop. Have like a luncheon workshop. Invite an expert that's an expert on running a marathon, an expert on skiing, an expert on weight loss, an expert on getting back into shape after having a baby, and an expert on doing any number of things. But invite experts to your location and then promote it and promote it and promote it. This is a great way to get new traffic into your facility, but invite an expert. A lot of folks be happy to come out and speak. Okay, that can help you attract more people to your business. Okay, number three, have an influencer, a local influencer, promote your location. Who's big in your area. Okay, invite them out. Invite those folks out. These folks that have big followings. I know we've had success with a lot of juicers in certain areas that do blogs. And they'll do a blog on the facility and how you can get results and tie it into the juicing. And we've had great results, with those kind of things. Number four, create a photo opportunity. This one here, everyone should be doing this one, but create what I would call it an Instagram-worthy section of your gym. An Instagram-worthy section of your gym. So when someone joins, we've got some clubs, they'll have the big barbells, right? It looks like it's, 400 pounds, but maybe it's 5. And, they're lifting it up and, hey, I just joined, okay? Or they'll do other photo ops. But create that Instagram worthy where that new member can go over, let's take a picture, we're going to snap a picture. They post it on Instagram, they post it on Facebook, wherever they like. And maybe they get a free t-shirt for doing that. Members, can go over there and do it. But create those photo ops. For folks. People are doing it all the time. Let's make it easy for them. Let's promote it, make it part of what we do. Because every time people are posting, to their site about your gym, what's the average person have? About 250 or so, friends, on a Facebook account, for example. Well, every time they do that, that's 250 people that have a chance to see this. What if they do it 2 or 3 times a week? What if you have 100 workouts today and they all do it? Okay, these things can be big for you. Number 5, keep your gym merchandising fresh and updated. You know, things you're selling inside the gym. You know, don't let it get stale. You know, if you got a retail area, you mix it up. Get a table out front. Things you're trying to move, get it on that table. Get a big sale sign up. Okay, you know, let people, you know, do some taste testing on protein drinks and things of that nature. But keep your in-gym merchandising, keep it fresh, keep it new, keep it updated. You know, have sales, have closeouts on special gear. Number 6, level up your member service. You know, we used to call this, let's give super service. You know, we want to give more than the customer ever bargained for. We want to give a country club level service at a health club price. That was always our philosophy. Okay, give that good faith effort. You know, that member experience. You know, we want to create this member experience. We want to create an entertainment. We want to become a destination location. So level up this member service, making sure it's better than everybody else. You just simply don't want to be leasing space to folks. Okay. Number 7, and kind of along the same lines here, keep your existing members coming back. Keep your existing members coming back. You know, one of the biggest challenges that clubs have is the issue of attrition. Okay, you know, where we're losing them as fast, in some cases faster than we're signing them up, you know, causes real problems. We want to keep people coming back. I'll give you a couple tips on this. Number 1, when people join your facility, is we want to make sure they use your facility a minimum of 20 times first 60 days. Monitor it. Do you have programs in place to make sure your members are using your gym 20 times first 60 days? If you don't have that in place, get something like that going and monitor it. Make sure people are doing it. Because the more that do that, you know, the data tells us, the longer they're going to stick with us. The second thing I would follow up with on that is every morning when you come in, pull a member usage report. And depending on the price points, you know, lower price points, you know, maybe folks that have used your gym 4 times or less, you know, higher price points, you know, start bumping it up. But, you know, every morning pull a member usage report of folks that have used your gym 4 times or less. These are going to be your cancels. You know, these are your cancels for next month, most likely. Okay, let's start talking to them. Let's engage. Let's get a process in place. And the other thing to know is if you get these inactive members, I'm defining inactive as 4 times or less in 30 days. You probably have some that are worse than that right now if you haven't worked it. Is just one interaction with them. Just one interaction with them. They're 20% more likely to come back in. So take a look at it. Okay. Number 8, advertise. Advertise, promote, and market. You know, one of the biggest challenges that most clubs have, they're only doing 1 or 2 things. You want to take a massive level of action. Write out all the things that you can do to attract more people in your front door. I mean, what if you invited in all the local realtors and told them about what you're doing, and every time they sell a home, you can give a 30-day free membership, you know, to the buyers of the home. What if you did that with apartment managers? There's a lot you can do here to market and promote, but advertise, market, and promote. You want to take a massive level of action. Number 9 on my list, we want to get some media coverage. Let's get some media coverage. Now, to kind of kick this off, on my website, if you don't have this, I would have like a PR kit. You can go to my website, fmconsulting.net, and you'll see mine up there at the top. You know, have a PR kit. You know, tells everybody you're serious about this. Get out a press release. You know, you can go to prlog.org is one that we use. AmericanTowns.com. They will send that free to every newspaper in your area. You'll be surprised how many there still are, a lot of them. And that's online and print. You've got that. Connect with all your media, your TV stations, your radio stations, your newspapers. Go to Twitter to do that. Like, comment, you know, all that. With those folks. Get known by the media. Get some media coverage. The media, they all want good content. They all want good content. Start there. You know, get that started. That is one of the most heavily underutilized programs, you know, across the board. Number 10, encourage your members to bring a friend. make sure every month you've got some kind of referral campaign going on. Every single month, it's new. You can't tell your members the same thing every month and think it's going to stay fresh and crisp and exciting and have a big call to action, a big urgency. Encourage your members to bring a friend. Every month, have some kind of member referral program. Okay. Number 11, improve your presence in the local community. Get involved in community events. Get involved in fundraisers. Do fundraisers. Okay? I mean, we had a club one time that they had contacted the Guinness Book of World Records, and their focus was they were going to teach the largest group exercise class in history. And they aligned themselves with a local charity, and then they went to work promoting it. And so, you know, they were giving back to the community. They were covering costs in their club. They were generating leads, help people get results. You know, a lot of great things, you know, came from that. So improve your presence in the local community. Number 12, I think everyone probably does this one, but don't just do this one thing, but offer a discount. Offer a discount. You know, maybe it's an alternate day membership. Maybe it's a weekend membership. Maybe it's a non-prime membership. Maybe it's a 2-for-1. You can get one initiation fee for 2 people, and each of you have your own monthly dues. You know, do the same thing for personal training, okay? But have some kind of a discount. Make sure you have a deadline on it because you want that urgency. You want that call to action. Use your website to encourage gym visits. Use your website to encourage gym visits. Here's the big thing to know about websites. You know, the ones that I see and get a chance to review, about half the traffic that goes to these websites is not even from your area. And so on your websites, A, can we sell them something else? Okay. And then number 2, you know, what can they buy and come in the gym and pick it up? Don't just ship it to them if they're local. Have them come in and pick it up. You know, encourage, you know, gym visits as a result of that. Number 14 on my list of simple ideas to boost foot traffic to your gym business and to increase sales is host member events, host guest events. Have a member appreciation day. Have a member fitness party. You know, have local restaurants cater food, bring food in, breakfast, lunch, dinner, have events all throughout the day. You know, you want this to be as much of an entertainment business as it is fitness. Okay? Keep people entertained. It's about that member experience. So host member events, host guest events. And then partner up with other brands. Partner up with other brands. Partner up with other companies. Partner up with other weight loss companies in town. Have them, you know, do a blog share, blog swap. You know, you're going to post one of your blogs on your site. They're going to post one of yours. Do an email swap. Do it with your local hair salon. Okay, hair salon sends out one of your emails to all their customers in their database. You do the same for them. Those are great partnerships. Those can yield big dividends for you. You know, do it with you know, cryotherapy. You know, do it with weight loss. Okay, there's a lot of places you can partner up with on this to really expand your audience, and there's simple things to do and easy things to do. All of these are 15 of them. Okay, we can come up with more. Okay, and likely we'll do additional videos on things that you can do, simple ideas to grow your business. You know, here's the key: take action. Here's the ideas. These ideas work. We see them work all the time. But the key to success, no matter what you're doing, take action. Take it now. Don't wait. Don't procrastinate. Understand why it's important to you. Let's get to work. So, folks, my name is Jim Thomas. My company is Fitness Management and Consulting. Appreciate you being here at the channel today. And if you've not yet done so, you know, please hit that subscribe button and help us spread the word on how we can grow and develop our business. And then to learn more about me and my company, you know, please check out those links below. And we look forward to seeing you all in that next video.